Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the WOMELF Functional Arranger Keyboard, a 61-key digital music keyboard designed with beginners in mind. Right off the bat, one of the things that stands out is its portability. It's made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, and it's really lightweight, which means you can easily pick it up and take it with you to practice or play wherever you want. Enjoying music anytime, anywhere is definitely a big plus. But this isn't just a basic keyboard. It's a multi-functional arranger keyboard. This means it's built to give players professional level sounds and comes packed with a wide variety of accompaniment styles. So, you're not just playing notes, you can have a whole band backing you up, which is fantastic for practicing different genres or just having fun exploring rhythms. Navigating all those features is made pretty straightforward. It's equipped with a dual-screen interface, which is a nice touch, and it has dedicated buttons for different options. The layout is designed to be convenient and intuitive. The panel itself is smartly organized, with accompaniment styles placed on the left side and the different instrument timbres or sounds on the right. There's also an LCD screen right in the middle that displays all the main information you need at a glance. They mention 156 keys, which likely refers to the number of dedicated buttons or functions available, making it easy to quickly find whatever you're looking for without digging through menus. Speaking of sounds, this keyboard boasts an impressive library of over 1,500 different tones. That includes all the classics you'd expect, like traditional acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, strings, and wind instruments. And, fitting with its name, it also includes folk music tones, adding a nice, unique flavor to the mix. Having this many sounds gives you a huge amount of creative flexibility right from the start. Ultimately, this electronic piano is presented as an ideal instrument for beginners. The goal is to make the process of learning piano simpler and more interesting. With its intuitive layout, wide range of sounds and styles, and portable design, it really seems tailored to someone just starting out or looking to explore their musical interests without being overwhelmed. It's positioned as the perfect first instrument and the best choice for those beginning their musical journey or pursuing their interests in music.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.